Ever wondered if you could dive into the world of crypto with a Kraken wallet? It's a question I get asked a lot, and it's a good one. Because navigating the crypto landscape can feel like charting unknown waters, especially when you're just starting out. There are so many exchanges, so many wallets, so many things to consider. It can be overwhelming. So, can you get a Kraken wallet? The short answer is yes, absolutely. But, like most things in the crypto world, there's a bit more to it than just a simple yes. What exactly is a Kraken wallet, though? That's the first thing we need to unpack. Kraken is a well-established and reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it like a digital marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a whole host of others. And, crucial to our question, they offer wallet services. Now, the nuance here is that Kraken doesn't offer a single, standalone wallet in the way some other providers do. Instead, your Kraken wallet is actually the custodial wallet associated with your Kraken exchange account. Let's break that down a bit. A custodial wallet means that Kraken, in essence, holds your cryptocurrencies for you. They manage the private keys, which are like the secret passwords that allow you to access and control your crypto. This can be a convenient option, especially for beginners. You don't have to worry about the complexities of managing your own private keys, which can be a bit of a learning curve. Kraken handles the security and storage for you. But, and this is a big but, it also means you're trusting Kraken with your funds. They're the custodian, the guardian of your crypto. This is why it's absolutely vital to choose a reputable exchange like Kraken, one with a strong track record of security and reliability. You're placing a lot of trust in them, so do your due diligence and research before entrusting them with your digital assets. Now, why might you choose a Kraken wallet, or rather, a Kraken exchange account with its associated custodial wallet? There are several compelling reasons. Firstly, as I mentioned, convenience. It's incredibly easy to get started. You sign up for a Kraken account, verify your identity, and boom, you have a wallet ready to go. You can deposit funds, buy crypto, and start trading relatively quickly. Secondly, Kraken offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies. They support many popular coins and tokens, giving you a diverse selection to choose from. This is important if you're looking to diversify your crypto portfolio. Thirdly, Kraken is known for its robust security measures. They employ various security protocols to protect your funds, including two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of assets, and regular security audits. While no system is completely impenetrable, Kraken's commitment to security is a significant plus. Fourthly, Kraken offers a user-friendly interface, especially for beginners. Their platform is designed to be relatively intuitive, making it easier to navigate the complexities of crypto trading. They also have educational resources and customer support to help you along the way. So, it sounds pretty good, right? Convenient, secure, and user-friendly. But, as with anything, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. The biggest one is the custodial aspect. As I mentioned earlier, you're trusting Kraken with your funds. While they have a strong security track record, there's always a small element of risk involved when you're not in direct control of your private keys. This is a fundamental trade-off in the world of crypto, convenience versus control. Another potential drawback is that you're subject to Kraken's terms of service and any regulations that might apply. This is true for any centralized exchange. They have rules you need to abide by, and they might have limitations on withdrawals or deposits depending on your location and verification level. Now, let's talk about how to actually get a Kraken wallet, or rather, create a Kraken account. The process is fairly straightforward. You'll need to visit the Kraken website and click on the Create Account button. You'll then be guided through the registration process, which involves providing your personal information, verifying your identity, and setting up two-factor authentication. This is a crucial step, so don't skip it. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it much harder for unauthorized access. Once your account is created and verified, you can deposit funds using various methods, depending on your location. Kraken supports bank transfers, credit cards, and other payment options. Once your funds are deposited, you can start buying and trading cryptocurrencies. Now, I want to emphasize something important. Before you dive headfirst into the world of crypto, take the time to educate yourself. Understand the risks involved, learn about the different cryptocurrencies, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto can be volatile, and there are no guarantees of profit. Do your own research and make informed decisions. So, can you get a Kraken wallet? Yes, you can. It's a convenient and relatively secure way to get started with crypto. But it's essential to understand the nuances of a custodial wallet and the trade-offs involved. Weigh the pros and cons, do your research, and make an informed decision based on your individual needs and risk tolerance. There are other wallet options available, such as non-custodial wallets where you manage your own private keys. We can explore those in future videos. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.